Oh my gosh, this is funny. A 24-year-old Jamaican woman who once worked as a security guard at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport. She stole rental cars. Didn't she think she was going to get caught? No, folks. Sometimes you read some stories, you hear some news, and you think it's really funny. And this one is really funny. Now you tell me, does this woman looks like the face of a thief? No. Anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I always say at the beginning of my YouTube, my video, that I am a reaction channel. I react on the news, and if you have anything you want me to put out there, it's fine. I will do that also. We are very respectable. We don't fight. We don't argue. So now, I came across this news, and to me, it's really funny because of what she stole, the amount of things she stole. Now, she's a 24-year-old Jamaican woman who once worked as a security guard who is supposed to be securing their property at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport car rental center. Now she's facing 13 felony charges after detectives accuse her of conspiring with 3 men to steal, watch this, listen to this, a dozen vehicles from Hertz. What me say? 1 dozen. I didn't say 1. I say 1 and the dozen behind it. So you must know how many 12 cars we're talking about. Now, according to a report from the local news, this woman, who is Miss Phillips, let me leave off our last 2 first name, Phillips. She was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and now lives in Sunrise, Florida. Sunrise, Florida. You know what sunrise feels like? It's good when you know you wake up in the mornings and you breathe in and you have life and you wake up with energy. That's where the woman lives. And on Wednesday, she appeared before the Broward County Circuit COURT for arraignment. The sunny place of Florida, she might have to wish it bye-bye for a while. Now, folks, let's talk about this wild story straight out of Jamaica by way of Fort Lauderdale. It's gonna be good when it starts with a Jamaican, a car rental desk, and 13 felony charges. This isn't Fast and Furious. This is Fast and Curious. Hertz edition. First, Savannah Phillips. We never call her name first, but unfortunately, when you're a criminal, you give up all of your privacy, you give up all of your self-respect, you give up all of your self-esteem. She's 24-year-old and she come from Kingston, Jamaica. You know what I mean? Jamaicans have hustle. And we do hustle. But I didn't know it extend to the valet industry. And not just any car theft. We are talking about a whole franchise operation. Hertz must be rebranding Hertz. It's not just rent a car. It's rent a friend's car without asking. Yes. Just take me car of them. Give them out. Pretend. Say you record them. And not do nothing. She's a security guard at the airport car rental center. I guess she took the security part a little too loosely. I can just imagine her at work. Me are the security guard, yes. But me also are the holder driver. And customer service one-stop shop, baby. So, how did she pull it off? She just let the cars roll out. Shh. rush, one behind the next. No IDs, no question, just vibes. Jamaican customer service at its finest. Yeah, want a car? Take it and go on. Don't bother. Me nah give you no paperwork. Me busy eating me beef patty, you know. The detective said the woman pretended to scan the cars as they left. I feel that sometimes at work I'm pretending to work too. Like, are you checking IDs? Yeah. Me scan, man. Yeah, man, me scan. You know, Netflix for what? To watch tonight. She a scan Netflix. She thinks they carry them on Netflix. And she a go watch it tonight. 12 cars stolen in. You know how much it is? 12 cars stolen in 2 days. The Hertz manager probably walk in like, where's all the Nissans? And she's like, me no know, boss. Maybe them gone on vacation too. And the car lineup was so basic. Kia, K4, Nissan Altima, Hyundai Santana, Toyota Corolla, Nissan Sentra. It's like she was starting her own Uber fleet. If you're gonna risk your freedom, at least steal a Tesla now. Self-driving so you can run away from the scene and take a nap. Like the car that police stopped just recently to give a ticket for turning the wrong way, and guess what? Nobody was sitting in the car seat because it was a self-driven car. So maybe all these cars were self-driven and just drive themselves out and nobody responsible for them. And get this, some of these cars show up in Texas and Virginia linked to other crimes. The only thing more reliable than a rental Corolla, a Jamaican network. Jamaican moms everywhere are like, me send you abroad for better life, not for better larceny. No, she's in court. The judge is like, band is 62,000 and you have to prove the money is clean. The woman is in shock. And like she might be thinking, Judge, me promise this is all from me OnlyFans and me side hustle selling patties at the beach. So she have to go prove say our fans them give it to her. I don't know what fans that she going to have to prove. And she have to go prove say she are selling patties. She clean. Honestly, hearing this, I really was thinking. I worked at the airport once. Only thing I ever stole was time and free Wi-Fi. But clearly, I was thinking small, not big like her. Rich in one day. America is paved with gold. You come to America, you're rich. And maybe she have to do that because she have to send barrel. People are call her every day, ask her for barrel. Or she a try to impress somebody at Jamaica. Why she have to steal 12 cars in 2 days? So if you are re-renting a car in Florida, double check it. It didn't come with a side of felony charges and reggae playlist. And next time you see a Jamaican security guard at the airport, just remember, they might let you leave with more than your suitcase. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell that you will not miss out on any other stories. And I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.